Yep, I'm happy with that.
End of flashback.
Coming in from this side. There we are. Still chattery old servos. Yeah, so that's basically it. Really simple. Okay, I had the problem with the wing attachments. Could have been a fluke or one-off. Be interesting if anyone who's had one of these has the same experience as I have, and what solution they came up with. I'm just going to shovel that in there. Let's put this back in. It looks super. I love the colours. I'll put the prop on, might as well do that now, although I'll have to take it off again. Now this original aircraft does have a 3-blade prop, so that means I need a 9x5 3-bladed prop. For those of you who are really interested, there is a calculation you can use to work out the size of the prop you need going from a 2-blade to a 3-blade. I will put the calculations as part of this video. However, quick dirty rule is subtract 1 from the diameter measurements. When you read a prop, if that's a 10x5, the 10 is the diameter and the 5 is the pitch. And what it means by that is for every rotation of the prop, full rotation, the aircraft will be pulled 5 inches. So the trick is when you go to a 3-blade, you just subtract 1 from the diameter and you can roughly get away with it. But there is an equation that you can use to work it out should you want to be absolutely accurate. And here it is. Okay, let's get this back on. Quite a big belly, but what I might do is put some grips on here so you get a better grip. So what they look like. Yeah, they're okay. And what sort of movement we'll get, we'll have to test all that out. They're quite nice ones. They're obviously there to protect the push rods. Yeah, I like that. Camera. And then we start by just, it doesn't matter if it overlaps because I can always trim it from this side. So you can be a bit rough and ready with it. Hopefully this one will match. Yep, there we go. Now, as long as it's cut down, you don't have to trace along here and cut it out. I can't really do that on camera, but there's the before picture. So this is what it looks like when it's cut out. See, this is a piece that was in there, and I basically just put the blade in and run it along. Doesn't matter if it's a bit messy because no one's going to see it. I think this blade will have to be replaced very soon. I can't get them up. Just smooth the bits that jagged out under there, that's it. Let's move up to the wing. Now we basically put this over. That works for me. Let's just test that out. Something else you probably noticed I like doing, I like testing and testing again. Yep, brilliant. I'll do that on the other side. I love these cutting knives and I love these cutting mats. That's that bit done, ready to peel off and stick onto the wing. Right, let me pop this in. I need to test it. There we go. Job done. So here's something you don't see every day, and what a pleasure it was to find it. I haven't read every single page in this instruction manual, and I'm going to because I want to see if anywhere in here it says it comes with a balanced prop, because this is the prop and I've done nothing to it. I've literally put it on my balancer and it is balanced. Absolutely fantastic. What a great job. Well done, Durafly. It's just fantastic. Well, the old screen didn't last long, did it? I just can't be bothered to keep putting it out every time I go and do something. So, what are we up to now? As I said, the prop is superbly balanced. I've got my Spectrum AR6210. I love these little receivers. I won't be using the satellite receiver for it because the plane's so small it won't matter. I've got everything plugged in. I've done a test on it. I've got the transmitter set up. The only thing I haven't done is check the actual throws for travel. Had to reverse the rudder, but it's all working perfectly fine now. That noise is one of the servos. Aileron servo. Just seems to chatter a bit. So, looking at this, if I do right aileron, left aileron. So now if you notice as I do the ailerons, you get rudder mix. I've got 20, I think it's 20% rudder mix. It's going right, so the rudder's turning right. It's going left, the rudder's turning left. The rudder's not actually straight, so I'm going to have to do some trimming on it. Yeah. Chatty old servos. Could just be that the ball links are a little bit stiff, so it's not quite turning right and it's causing a little bit of strain on the servo gearing. Elevator up and down, get the centre of gravity sorted out, and then just going up on the ceiling because I can't go flying. And this is where the Brewster Buffalo will be going on the ceiling. She's going between the cub here and my Bixler 3 here. And these are the straps. Those straps hanging down just below the light here. There's one there and there's one at the back. There to hold her up in place in this gap here. Right, let's get this prop on. I'm going to measure the centre of gravity. So, the centre of gravity for this bird is 52 to 55 millimetres from the leading edge. So that's okay. Then let's bring it down a bit do it about here. Can't find a rule. Yeah, it's fine. It's great. That's where that one's going. That's it. There we go. There we are. I'll just stick in there like that. Go back to it. Come as low as I can, just so you can feel the little nub without looking. COG. Again, just so you can feel the little stick without looking. There. So, without looking, way tail heavy at the moment, but that's because, cool, that's tight. That's because we don't have a battery in there. Wow. Now that's interesting. That means I'm going to have to put weight in it. I think I'll take the cowl off to see what weight I can put in there.
2 hours later.
So that weight you see here is 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 50, 55, 60. 60 grams of weight that I need to put into the cowl. It's going to have to go around here in the cowl just to get that to balance at 53 millimeters, and the COG is between 52 and 55. It's a lot of lead, isn't it? There you are. So I've stuck the lead. It's not lead actually, it's like a zinc alloy or something. You can't use lead these days. But that's all down here. Haven't got the prop on. And of course she's tail heavy. There we go. Oh, parfait. There it is. Yep. All that weight. Still, never mind. I know where the battery's got to go now. Mark that. Get some Velcro in there. And she's now definitely ready to go. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Stay at home. Stay well. Stay on my channel. Oh, I've had enough. I'm going stir crazy. But thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, as haphazard and crazy as they are. Just like sharing what I do. So cheers.